Hi everybody, we're here with lesson 11 homework. This is on page 49 and I'm starting with the homework helper just to sort of remember what we're doing. We're going to sometimes use our mental math when we can just subtract ones from ones. And then sometimes we're going to need to unbundle a 10. So we're going to use our place value discs today. When we're unbundling a 10, we're decomposing. It's going to just be the opposite of what we were doing when we were adding. But I know subtraction can always be a little bit harder. So we showed 28 not showing 9 because 9 is what I am taking. I'm taking 9 from the 28, so I'm not going to put it there. But I show my 28, and then I need to unbundle one of those 10s, decompose it, put it into the ones so that I can take away from the 10 ones that I've added there. So this is what we're going to be working on today. And we're going to start up at the top. Here they're asking us to use mental math. Mental math. So 6 minus 5, that's pretty simple. If I have 6, I take 5 away. I've got 1 left. So then if I have 26 and I take 5 away, I'm going to have 20 still, and then 6 minus 5 is still going to be 1. So the only thing that changed is I've added 2 10s here, so added 2 10s there. Now, 26, not minus 5, 26 minus 6. So if I have 6 ones and I take away 6 ones, I've got 0 ones, and I still have my 2 10s for 20. So now, if I know that 26 minus 6 is 20, 26 minus 7 is just taking 1 more away from that number. 1 less than 20 is 19. Here we go. 8 minus 7, that's 1. So 58 minus 7 is going to be 51. So then 58 minus 8, I'm just taking away 1 more, so it's going to be 50, but 8 minus 8 is 0. We have our 50 there. But 8 is 1 more than 7. So I'm taking away 1 more from this. So 51, taking away 1 more would give me 50. So then here, when I'm taking away 1 more, 58 minus 9, I'm just taking away 1 more from this 50. So 1 less than 50 is 49. So some of those problems we can do in our head, even though we basically are decomposing to get there. So now we're going to start here. We are going to use our place value discs when we need to. But some problems you can solve mentally. 36 minus 5. Can we solve that mentally? I think we can. 36 minus 5 is 6 minus 5, which is 1, and then the 30, 31. 36 minus 7, that one I'm going to go ahead and use my place value disc. So I've got my board set up with my line down the middle. I have my stack of 10s and my stack of 1s ready so that it's going to be pretty simple to do. My first number is 36. So I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Oh, we need a bigger screen there. There we go. 34, 35, 36. Now the second number is 7. I don't need to show that because that's what I'm taking away. So I have 6. I cannot take 6 from 7. So I am going to decompose or unbundle my 10 and turn it into 10 ones. And I'm going to put those over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 10, 6, which is 16. I can take 7 away from 16. Here I have 6. Move one more up there. And that's the 7 I'm going to take away. How many is left? On the 1 side, I have 9. On the 10 side, I only have 2 because we took one of those over here to decompose. So I have 29. And I'm coming back in. Let's get that a little bigger. Can I still fit all my... Yeah, that'll work. So 36 minus 7 is 29. Great. Let's look at our next problem for B. 37 minus 6. I can take 6 away from 7. How many would be left? There'd be 1 left, and then I have 3 tenths. So 3 tenths 7 minus 6 is 3 tenths 1. And now this one, let's do it with our place value discs. So we are making 30 again, and we're making 37. Well, I have almost that. I'm going to just move these around a little bit. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's my 37, and I need to take away 8, but I've only got 7. So I'm going to decompose one of my 10s and unbundle it to make it back into ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10, 7 or 17 now instead of just 7 on my one side. I can take 8 away from 17. Here's 7. I'm going to bring one more up there. That's 8. So I'm going to subtract that 8. And then what is left? On the one side, I have 9. And on the 10th side, I have 2 10s, which is 20. So I have 29. Oh my goodness. Do you see that those first two answers are exactly the same? Let's do the next one. It doesn't look like it's going to be. So we have 40 minus 5 and then 41 minus 5. I think I'd better do both of those with my place value disc. So we're going to start with 40, which is 4 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40. No ones at all. And I have to take away 5. I need to unbundle one of those 10s. So I'm going to decompose. I'm going to break it up into its ones again. So get it all unbundled. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I still have 4 10s, right? I still have 40. I have 10, 20, 30, and then I still have 10 here. So this is still 40. I haven't taken anything away yet. I just changed that 10 to 10 ones. So now I can take 5 away. Here's 5 right here. How much do I have left if I take 5 away from 40? 10, 20, 30, 35. So 40 minus 5 is 35. Now I want 41 minus 5. So if I have 41, I still can't take 5 away from there. I still need to unbundle one of those 10s so that I can use it to subtract. So I'm going to trade it out. Here's my 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I still have 41. I have 10, 20, 30, and then this is 10. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. I still have 41, but now I can take 5, right? I can take 5 away from this, and I'm left with how much? 3 10s, 6, which is 36. So 41 minus 5 is 36. So I see we had 40 and we took away 5, and that was 35. Then we had a bigger number, 41, but we took away the same amount. So the bigger number is going to be, so this is going to be bigger by 1 also. I can understand that pattern. Here we have 58 minus 32. Okay, definitely not doing this in my head. 58. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and I need 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. So I have 58. I want to take away 32. 58. And I'm taking away 32. So the 3 comes from the 10s. The 2 comes from the 8. I can do that. I want to take away 30. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. That's what I am taking away. What do we have left? 10, 20, 6. 26. Now, if I'm just looking at my 10s and my 1s, I might have been able to do that in my head. 5 minus 3. 5 10s minus 3 10s is 2 10s. 8 minus 2 is 6. All right, I might have been able to. This one looks a little bit harder though. 58 minus 29. So I'm going to put my 50 back up. 30, 40, 50. And I need 58 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this time, I'm taking away 29. I'm taking 9 away from my 1s. I don't have that. So I am going to unbundle a 10 and make 10 1s down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's in my way now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've taken my 10 from here and I've turned it into ones over here. I still have 58. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So I still have 58. I just changed the way it looks because I unbundled one of those 10s and turned it into ones again. Now I can take 9 from this side. Here I have 8. One more would be 9. So there's the 9 I'm taking away. And now I have 9 left in my ones. But I wasn't just taking 9. I was taking 29. So I took away 9. I need to take away 20. 10, 20. So 58 minus 29 gives us 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29. 29 and 29 is 58. It's a double. All right, we're going to look at 60 minus 26. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50, no, sorry, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, goodness me, and that's it, 60. But I need to take away from this, I need to take away 26, and I don't have any ones to take away. So I'm going to decompose or unbundle this group of 10s and turn it back into ones over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I still have 60. I have 5 10s on this side and 1 10 over here. 5 10s and 1 10 is still 60. Now I can take away some ones. So from my 60, I need to take away 26. So I'm going to take away 6 from here. And 20 from here. And what do we have left? 3 10s, which is 30, and 4 ones. 34. So now we're going to take away 26 again from 62. Almost exactly the same problem. Here's our 62. Now again, if I have to take away 26, I'm going to be taking away from my 10s and my 1s. I don't have 6 ones. So again, I'm unbundling a 10 and I'm going to turn it into 10 ones over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I still have 6 10s and 2. Right? All right. Now I can take away 26. There's my 6 ones. and 2 10s, I need to take away 20. So how much is left when I take 26 away from 62? I have 3 10s, which is 10, 20, 30, and 6 1s. So 36. 2 more on this page, and then a couple on the next, and we'll be done. 70 minus 41. $70 is 7 10s. But if I have 7 10s and I need to take away 41, I have to take something away from ones, and I don't have any. So I'm going to change one of my 10s back into ones, decompose it, unbundle it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still have 7 10s. I have 6 10s on this side, and I have 1 10 over here. So we still have 7 10s, or 70. Now I can take away 41. Taking away 41, I take 1 from the one side, and I'm going to take 40, or 4 10s, from the 10 side. So 10, 20, 30, 40. And 70 minus 41 is 2 10s, 10, 20, and 9 1s. 29. Now here, I think I can do this one in my head. I had 70 minus 41. This is 80 minus 41. What is the difference between these two problems? This one is 10 more. The number we're taking away is exactly the same. So if this number we're starting with is 10 more, then the number we're going to end up with is 10 more. So instead of having 2 10s, 9, I'm going to have 3 10s, 9, or 39. Pretty cool. Let's look at the second page. So this is exactly the same as what we were just doing. We are going to solve using our place value discs. The first one is 41. So 10, 20, 30, 41. We're going to take away 27. Oh, I don't have 7. What do I need to do? Unbundle a 10. So I'm going to take one of those 10s and turn it into ones. Here we go. Get rid of my pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I still have 10, 20, 30, 41. Still have 41. Now, though, I can take away 27. I can take away 5, 6, and one more is 7 1s and 2 10s. 10, 20. And what do I have left? I have 10, 4. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 41 minus 27 is 14. I unbundled 110 and then took 27 away. Great. Let's do this. And then these will be super easy. 67 minus 28. 67, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. I need to take away 28. Can I take away 8 from my 7? What am I going to do? I need to decompose one of my 10s, unbundle it, and turn it back into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 10 7. I can take away 8 from this. That's 8. I'll take those 8 away. And we're going to just move this up, making it easier to count. But I wasn't just taking away 8. I was also taking away 2 10s. I was taking away 28. So 1, 2 10s, or 20, and then the 8 ones that we took away. How much do we have left? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So 67 minus 28 is 39. And again, I unbundled or decomposed a 10 so I could subtract 28. Excellent. All right, we have 2 more to do. We are going to be looking at these jars that have marbles. The number of marbles in each jar is marked on the front. Miss Clark took 37 marbles out of each jar. How many marbles are left in each jar? 37. Now this one down here at this part here, I can do in my head. 48 minus 37. I can take 7 away from 8, leaving me 1. I can take 3 10s away from 4 10s, leaving 1. So there are 11 marbles left. But for each of the rest of these, I'm going to need my place value discs. So 45 minus 37. Here we have 52 minus 37. And here we have 55 minus 37. So let's start with 45. And 45, and I want to take away 37. Well, I can take away 30 from here, but I can't take away 7 from over here. So I'm going to turn one of these 10s unbundle it, turn it back into ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 30, 45. Still 45. I'm going to take away 37. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's the 7. And that leaves 8 ones. And I'm going to take away 3 tens, 30. 10, 20, 30. Oh my goodness. I don't have any tens left. 45 minus 37 is how much? 5 and 3 more. It's 8. It's only 8 marbles left in that jar. So 45 minus 37 equals 8. Let's do 52. 10, 20, 30, 40, 52. Oh, if I have to take away 7, I can already see that I'm going to need to unbundle or decompose one of my tens. So I'm going to just trade that in, 1 10 disc for 10 ones. So now I have 10 ones. I'm sorry, 4. I have 4 tens and another 10 over here in the ones plus the 2. So we still have 52. Now we're going to take away 37. So I'm starting over here. I'm taking away 7. And that leaves me with 5 ones. I have to take away 30, which is 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. And what do I have left? I have 10, 5, which is 15. 52 minus 37 is 15. One more to go. You can do it. We have 55, so we can leave the 5 there. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. Okay. But I need to take away 37. I've only got 5. So again, here we go. Decompose that 10 into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So I still have 55, but I have 4 in the tens place and another 10 in the ones place, plus my 5 ones. Okay, I'm going to take away 37. So there's 5, 6, 7. And I need to take away 3 tens or 30. 10, 20, 30. And this is what I'm left with. I have 10, 8, which is 18. 55 minus 37 is 18. My goodness, you guys worked hard today. Thank you so much for your focus. I'll see you next time.